Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with your dude Zach. So today we're going to be unboxing set 75102, and this is Damerons X-Wing Fighter. So this is going to be a pretty big set, and hopefully we can finish this on time. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and yes, follow our Patreon as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and give it a spin.
quite like her before.
Alright, so here it is, the final product of Damerons X-Wing Fighter. So it comes with 717 pieces, and the color accent on this ship is just amazing. I have to say that the pattern, especially with the orange color, really brings out the uniqueness of the ship. Now, when building this, I do recommend that you have some expertise because it is a bit difficult to build, considering that it took me around an hour and 30 minutes to finish this ship. But that being said, the final product is really nice, and it's something that you can display on your cabinet as well. So other than that, let's take a look at the interior of the ship, right? The different play aspects. So the ship obviously comes with a cockpit where you place your figure here. And on the side of the ship, we have 4 stud shooters. If you don't know what stud shooters are, they're Lego pieces that are attached to these projectile bricks that will release a Lego stud outside. So as you can see here, we have 1 here, 1 here, and 2 on the other side. So in total, that's 4. Now, other than that, there is a very nice feature, as you can see here on the knob or the top of the ship. There is a knob here that you can use to do an X-foil attack position. Now, in every Star Wars, an X-Wing has an X-foil attack position that's used to, quote-unquote, attack different targets when going up to different speeds. So, as you can see here, if we twist the knob, the ship goes in an X-foil attack position, which is really cool, and I really like the features on that as well. Now, other than that, let's take a look at the other parts of the set. As you can see here, we have a Rebel Alliance transport unit. So they use this vehicle to go from one place to another place. And as you can see, it's been used on Dakar, which was the Resistance base in Episode 7, and also seen in Yavin 4 as well. Now, besides that, it also comes with this little neat ladder, which you can just use to imaginatively place the character coming up into the cockpit as well. So let's take a look at the characters of the ship, which are the minifigures, which are really important to the set. Now, number 1, of course, is the most exclusive character that you'll get from this set. It's Poe Dameron himself, the ace pilot in the Star Wars Resistance. He comes with 2 faces back to back. One expression here is him happy, and then another expression here is a bit more serious or angry. But what makes his character so unique is the molding of his helmet. Now, the molding of this set is really nice, as you can see here in this helmet, and it's really unique design coming out from Lego. Now, another character that we have here in the ship is another Resistance pilot. He comes with the same molding as well for his helmet. It's color white, and unfortunately, he does not come with a back print, but nevertheless, the character looks really outstanding, especially the print on it as well. Then, of course, we have a land crew member. I think he's referred as a Resistance land crew maintenance repairman, but his real name in the Star Wars universe is Rosegoers. Other than that, it's a really interesting alien species. He does not come with a back print expression, but then again, it's a really nice thing to add, especially to the ship. Then, of course, we have the most exclusive character. I personally think it was a really nice touch, and obviously you need it for the ship. It's BB-8 himself, and he's really cute, as you can see here. And I do like his color design. It's obviously the same color that you would see in the movies, but then again, his cute and small minifigure design makes it really, really convenient. So with that being said, there are 717 pieces, and this set comes across at 3,500 pesos. But luckily for me, and I think it was a nice score, I got this for around 1,000 pesos. So yeah, with that being said, thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys will watch our next episode.